Hey everybody, it's me, and today's Wednesday. Yay! So, I got a notification at 4, which I was still up because I could not go to sleep. And it's the New York ponies, and do you always know the Friends app of Star Stable? It gives you the notification stuff. Yeah, I had that, and the New York ponies are out, and they're so cute, and they're so updated, and oh my god. There's like a dapple gray one, and I need one. I literally need one right now. So now we'll just wait 1,000 years for this to, I don't know, upload. Oh my god, check on Musical.ly. Oh my god, my friend has one on Musical.ly. I even right now. Right freaking now. I feel like Brooke with like when she sees an icy. So freaking close. Like 5 years or so, we can finally click play. Excuse me? Answer stable because to be honest, it's like 6 right now. Yeah. But that's okay. I think it's in Fort Penton, and I want it to be in Fort Penton because yeah, I went to South Hoof last night to Quest, or actually this morning because it was like 3, maybe 4, maybe 2, maybe 1. I don't know. All I know is that I've gotten some sleep. Just not enough. I really need to put my sleeping schedule on a different. I really, really, really hope I have enough for it because I only have 700. I hope it's like 6 or something. I don't care how much it is. I'm buying it. Okay. Where actually? I didn't really read the thing. I just saw them and they were kawaii and like I need one right now. Hold on, let me read the thing to see where they are. Is that one right there? That better not be one. Okay, it's not. Hold it. Guess who's an idiot? It's by the Pony Bridge. This will actually be my first ever pony. Oh my god, I just realized that. I just like never bought any of the ponies, but I've always wanted one. Is that one right there? No. That's Lusitano. Okay. After I finally figured out how to pronounce it, that's the thing. Oh my god, I want one. I need one. I need one. No, there's one right there. I need to get double gray. Come here, my precious. Yes, they're cheap. Okay, I'm gonna do the calculation. I will have 400, but I don't care. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, Ever Eagle, no. Ooh. It's gonna be like forever. I want to name something like Ash. I need to go to the A's. Is there even Ash? Ash Angel? Do I like that name? Ash Angel. Okay, I like that name. I'm really good. I'm so happy! It's my first ever pony! Oh my god, I'm dying! I am dying! Oh my god, I guess there's a heart attack! I don't care if I was saving up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I bought it. I don't care how much I have left. My first ever pony, guys. I'm so happy. Oh my god, can you please load? It's my first ever pony. I'm so happy. How do people up at like freaking 6? It might be a different time for them. I don't care. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh! I'm sorry, Coco. I'm sorry, Coco. Where is my Ash Angel? I love that name. I'm gonna get on it. I'm sorry for all the headphone users. It's my first ever pony, you guys. I'm so happy. What's it really look like? Oh my god, it's so majestic. Where I press which part? It's walk, trot, canter. I think that's a gallop. I can't really tell. I'm in my stable. But all I know is, give me the tack. Oh, oops. Oh my god. Look at his adorable little freaking face. Oh my god. Give me the tack. Oh my god. Oh my god. Posted about, I'm now level 13 and I now have these, actual horseshoes that are, you know, fast. Oh my god, I'm so happy to put these. She's so short and I love it. Okay, I now have 5 horses and I also got a mustache. So when we're role playing, and I have to play like a man or something, I'm a fancy man. I also organized this. Why am I talking about this? No one cares about this, okay? There you go. Yeah, this is my collection of my horseshoes. Totally not creepy. It's not creepy. It's not creepy. Okay. Ash Angel. I love that name. It like fits her, and I love double grays. Oh my god. I'm really hoping this. Okay, there we go. Why am I going so slow? I usually go like. Yeah, because I want to see how majestic it looks in her. I think that I should get like completely white tack for her, but I don't want to spend any of my stuff on. But it looks like when I leave her. Can I? Okay. Can I get these ones? Oh, she's so cute. I know I always make them a she, but I mean, look at her. Look at her. Oh my god, I'm dying. This is 6 minutes of me dying. I'm going up. I'm going up. I want to see her little. I want to see like all the features. I'm dying. I am so glad I'm not this early. Is it raining? If it is, I don't have an alert. Oh my god. Little do y'all know, I love double grays, and I just realized, oh my god, her jump is so cute. If you don't know, I absolutely love double grays. She's a little slow, probably because she's a pony, she's level 1. But still, I'm in love. Yeah, honey. Ash, girl, you look kind of stylish. I need help. I need a lot of help. This is literally 7 minutes of me saying I'm dying. But anywho, if you like this video, comment on if you can. Don't forget to give that like button a big high five. And I will see y'all soon. Bye!